Hi guys, so for those of you who don't know, my name is Michael and I am the woodworker for MK Designs, and I don't know exactly where I'm going to post this video at yet, but that, as I'm just introducing it, just in case I do decide to put it on my channel. As most of you know, this is Kat, my wife. We have been hinting at, for the last couple of weeks, of a big husband and wife project that we're going to be doing, and we decided to go and let the cat out of the bag instead of keeping y'all in suspense. And maybe this way you can follow along, because we'll be keeping you up to date on our progress on this particular project, because it's going to be a rather lengthy one, and we aren't real sure when the video is actually going to be able to come out. So this is what we decided to do. What we're doing is we're building kayaks. This past summer we went and we started looking for our own kayaks. We were just going to buy them and deal with them all that. We wound up getting a couple of inflatable rafts and things like that, and we decided, you know what, if we're really going to get into this, maybe we should just go ahead and build our own. That way we not only have the experience of building it, we also are able to, if something happens to them, we're able to go back and repair them ourselves, because we know how they went together. And so we went online and we started looking, and Kat found one that she liked, and then she also found one that she thought I would like, and actually I turned out really like it. Mine is actually a sea kayak. It comes with several different options and things like that. But anyway, the plans that we got for them, we got from Chesapeake Lightcraft in Annapolis, Maryland. We ordered it online, and they sent us the books and the plans, and these are really detailed plans. And the one Kat's going to be doing is, it's called a Sea Island Sport. It's a sit-on-top kayak. And the one I'm going to be doing is called a Mill Creek 16.5. Now, for the Mill Creek, it actually has several different sizes. It has the Mill Creek 13, 16.5, 16.5 hybrid, and it also has a sailing rig, so you can put a sail on this particular one. It's actually really neat. So that's what we're working on. And like I said, we'll be keeping you up to date on everything as we go along. That way you're not sitting in suspense or what's going on with the kayaks? Are you getting the kayaks done? We'll keep you up to date as we go. Mostly because she works a full-time job outside of woodworking or crafting. And so we're not always real sure when we're going to be able to work on the husband-wife projects that we like to do. So yeah, that's about all that. Now, as most of you know, as all of you should know if you watch my videos, I always wear a hat when I'm working. There are particular reasons that I do that, one of which I grew up wearing baseball caps all the time. I mean, from the time I was about 5 on, I was always wearing a baseball cap. 2 is for safety. What? A cap is safety? When you have long hair, yeah, it's safety. It keeps it out of your face. Most of the time, it's just whatever hat I have. I have a Green Bay Packers hat. I have a Breckenridge Brewery hat. I have a North Face hat that I bought in Snowmass Village here in Colorado. And this one is actually a special one. This one, you see the little lemon on the back. This one is actually for Alex's Lemonade Stand Foundation. And we got this hat because Kat has signed up for doing the Million miles to fight childhood cancer 1 mile at a time.
Pretty much. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So she got this hat, and we decided that I should wear it in my videos. So starting with this build, I am wearing this hat in my video, and this is a softer hat, so I should be able to wash it a little easier when it gets grimy and dirty. And we'll be sure to put a link down wherever we post this, whether it's Facebook, YouTube, whatever. We'll put a link down so that you can all go check this out. We'll also put a link to Chesapeake Lightcraft if you want to check them out. And I'll give you a little more details in the upcoming update videos that we do and stuff like that about how the build and how this is going. And we'll give you a little bit more information on the Alex's Lemonade Stand. And yeah, for now, that's it, guys. So until next time, happy creating.